Sorry, actually, I am using online screen recorder platform, which limits my recording to 15 minutes. Resuming the previous tutorial, I have covered all these steps. Now we have left only 6 steps, that is functions. I already told you about the functions. We use functions in the context to get the values of our variables. Here is the basic syntax of the function. That is, we have to use the reserved keyword function, then the function name, then the parameter list, scope, and returns. The return values and the statements. This is the function contract name fun contract. Then we have created a function named get result that will return the result variable that I have created here. Then we have two types of functions: view functions and pure functions. View functions here. Now, view functions ensure that they will not modify the state. View functions ensure that they will not modify the state variables. I have created a state variable C here. So if I want to, initially we have no uh, error here, but if we want to update the value of C, then we will get an error here because the view reserve keyword will protect the state variables to modify. Coming to the pure functions show that they not read or modify the state. Here in the pure function, we can't modify the state, but the pure function also allow us not to return the state variables or read the state variables. If I want to return the state variable, I will have an error here in the pure functions. So the pure functions will protect the state variables from reading and modification. Then we have a cryptographic functions. Cryptographic functions allow us to get the these functions provides inbuilt Solidity provides inbuilt cryptographic functions. Here we have some cryptographic functions like KECA, K256 sharp 256 RIPMED 160. So here's the sample cryptographic function I have created here that will return the KECAA K256 cryptographic value of ABC. Then I have libraries. Libraries are just like contracts, but library, okay, contract. Following are the key. Libraries functions can be called directly if they do not modify the state. Library cannot be destroyed as it is assumed to be stateless. A library cannot have state variables. Library cannot inherit any element. Library cannot be inherited. This is the sample code for the library. I have created here a library and a function inside a library, and I am calling this function here to find the index of the array. Then we have error handling. Just like other programming languages, we have error handling here. Error handling provides the safety of the code. It generally an error occurs, the state is reverted back to its original state. Here, I already told you about the result error handling function. Then we have require error handling function, require and blah blah blah. Revert error handling function. Here is a sample code for the error handling. Here I have created a function that will check value either the value of the input is valid or not. I have created I have used another error handling function required that will check whether the value is correct or not. So this is all about Solidity programming language. Thank you.